Visual inspection. Visual module inspection involves checking for damage of physical impact, delamination, burn, internal connection, and other problems. The condition of the array mounting frame should be noted. Items to observe should include the array mounting bolts, bolting, rusting. Items to observe that include the array mounting bolts, and check to ensure that the frame and modules are firmly secured. Module should be visually inspected for sign of any physical damage, including bent frames, broken glass, fracture or damaged module should be replaced. Periodic issues. Periodic shading control involves trimming vegetation, that is cutting branches of trees, causing shading, and cleaning a soiled array. If a module has thick dirt or grime or bin dropping which is harder to remove, wash with cold water and rub the panel with a sponge. Solar panels are always exposed to external environment, which leads to deposition of dust and debris. This causes shading in part of the array, has consistently reducing the output of PV array. Regular cleaning of PV array to remove the deposit on the panel is necessary for its efficient performance. Use a clean sponge or cloth for cleaning to avoid scratching the module. Make sure no chemical is left on the glass after cleaning. To detect the defective panels within the array, we have to test both voltage and current of each panel. The voltage may be reduced if a cell has any defect. The production defect. The hotspot may produce a voltage reduction. They can be detected visually, but a thermographic camera can help to find out more easily. Module structure inspection. Check corrosion in the mounting structures. Document if any corroded parts are found. Repaint the corroded part in order to prevent further destruction of the structure. Module wiring and ground inspection. Check the wiring for sign of chewing by squirrel and rat, etc., and look for cut, gashes or worn spots in the wiring insulation. Replace any damaged wire runs. Check the frame ground connection between modules.